Have you ever wondered if your daily prayers could actually be a form of meditation? I'm talking about Ruku, the humble bow that's part of Islamic prayer. But let's go beyond ritual for a moment. Let's look at Ruku as a doorway to peace, mindfulness, and a deeper connection with yourself. See, in our fast-moving world, stress just piles up. We're always running, always scrolling, always thinking about what's next. But with Ruku, you get to press pause on all that noise. When you bend forward, hands on your knees, back straight, it's not just a stretch for the body, it's a reset for your mind. Let's try something. Next time you go into Ruku, just breathe. Feel the gentle pull on your spine. Notice how your body feels supported, grounded. Let each breath slow down. Let your thoughts pass by, like clouds in the sky. Even if your mind wanders, it's okay. Just bring your attention back to the present moment. Back to your breath. Back to the calm that's always available to you. You know, Ruku is more than a physical gesture. It's a symbol of surrender, letting go of your ego, your worries, your need to control everything. In that moment, you're saying, I trust, I let go, I'm here. And that feeling, that deep surrender, can be incredibly freeing. Science tells us that mindful movement, even something as simple as bowing, can lower stress hormones and boost your mood. But for centuries, spiritual seekers have known this just by feeling it. Ruku is a bridge between the outer world and your inner world. It's meditation in motion. So the next time you pray, remember, Ruku isn't just a step in the process. It's a meditation, a chance to reconnect with yourself, to find peace in the act of surrender. Take those few seconds and really be there. Let your worries slide away and discover the calm that lives inside you. Maybe you're struggling with anxiety, or you find it hard to focus during prayer. That's normal. Just give yourself grace. Each time you enter Ruku, you get another chance to start fresh, to ground yourself, to be present, to find a little bit of peace no matter what's happening around you. So next time as you bow, remember, you're not just completing a ritual. You're giving yourself a gift. A few moments of stillness, a touch of peace, and a deeper connection with the divine and with yourself.